Hi folks, Sanity here with a new video for you, like my setup. So this time in person video, let's say, about Chia. Don't have a script, don't have nothing scripted to say, or just my honest opinion. So, let's say I want to talk about this compressed plots. Now, I'll show something on the screen. I don't know, even maybe after I record this video, I'll show something just to have an idea. So if you are new here and you don't know, uh, my name, my name, I'm Cynetic, or Dragoș is my real name. I run this channel, which is nothing really. Well, let's say gaming, crypto, and life. Nah, let's keep it short. So, I started farming for a few years already. Approaching 3 years, approaching, it's still 2 years and something. Well, it is written on the site. I'll put it somewhere, man, in making this video. Um, so it was uh, a journey for me. I don't even know what to say, really. I mean, I don't know if I should even do this video. Maybe wait for a few more years, maybe one more year, and then really talk about this. I don't know even how to say. Because I do have hope for the future and do try to expect the best, but actually I'm expecting the worst, and I don't know what will happen in the near future or the far away future. What I'm saying now it's the state with Chia. It's a little bit more concerning, let's say. Fewer and fewer people continue talking about Chia. Um, and well, that's because of the states of things. I do continue to farm my small farm. I've been to a lot. I had some issues with the hard drives, as you know, from the States coming to Romania to bring them because I live in Romania. That I had some issues, and well, the fixed finally. If you pay, you pay. So I paid a lot. I'll put somewhere on the screen again this information with my investment. I'm not even close to regaining. It's like almost 1% I farmed uh, from my investment. So that is bad. That is very bad. And already 2 years passed. So what can I say about this? Now, yeah, it's not so good. Now we have compressed plots, and I tested BladeBit, and I tested also GigaHorse. Well, I tested in private, like I don't want to put so much information about this. What I can say, I mean, I do try to help you if you want to test. My opinion and my honest advice is just wait. Please wait. Don't go into this and start investing something and buy. Just wait a little bit more because things can change and the price of Chia is now very down. It's down. It's just down. And maybe in the future will rise. I don't know. I understand next year it will be halving, 2024, and people maybe they expect that the coin will go up. Usually with Bitcoin, this what can happen. Actually, it goes down and then goes up again. This what happens with Bitcoin. So maybe it will happen with the Chia coin as well. I don't know if the people who created this they were thinking about these things. Maybe they're thinking about something else, IPOs, putting on the stock market, and so on and so forth. But for us, for the farmers, now it's not so good. Don't I'm from Romania. I'm not from America, so electric bill it's quite expensive. Maybe not from American point of view if you have that type of income. Remind you that the currency, it's 3 to 1, so actually 3.4 to 1. So $1 it's 3 point wait, sorry, mistake. 4 to 1, so $1 is 4 RON, about, more or less, let's say. uh, so yeah, uh, many things are expensive, and what I'm looking like, even Chia decentralized channel, information about plotting and compressed plots, and this my my head starts to hurt, man. First of all, okay, I'm not a programmer. Maybe I do have some like, just I keep this around. It's like a Bible. Okay, whatever. I don't consider myself a programmer. I just consider as a hobby. And what can I say? I am looking at this guy channel, and he said, budget build 1,200, budget build 1,500. Look, dollars, yeah. So my perspective, this is costly. Yeah, this it's not easy bucks. First of all, I already invested something and made many mistakes. Many, if I can say, if I had more knowledge, maybe if I look back, maybe the mistakes did not exist or should not exist. Yes, but okay. Like I said, I am continuing. I'm still farming with the small farm that I have. Like I said, it will be around the corner or somewhere there, just to show. Like I said, maybe you're new, maybe you don't know. For those who stick around and just come back to see my channel when I post things about Chia, they already know the story. It's not so tragic, but anyway, I basically I lost a lot, so I'm trying to recoup. I'm trying to make something from this farm. And actually, I read about the compressed plots. I think it's a good idea, but in the same time, it's also a bad idea. What I'm talking about. So, for example, my small farm. It's a small one. It's okay. It's 200 and something terabytes. It's TB bytes, or how they are called. Once again, sorry, not a programmer, not an IT. I'm working on the sea. So if my language upsets you, please have some patience. I am trying to, let's say, put in the best of words what I want to say, put a little bit information here. So I think it's a good idea to have compressed plots. My own farm, it's okay. It's like, okay, if I can manage this, I'll have 30% more. Good. And they'll be readable, maybe 24 to 30% better reads and times and whatever. So around 50% to 60% increase in farm, 30% increase in how many plots, yeah, because they get compressed, and the read times. So overall, good things, yeah, good things, yeah, why not? But if you have 1 petabyte, if you have 12 petabytes like some people, or 16, 15, I don't know, 17, 18, these people is different for them, yeah, they have to plot really a lot. Okay, they can plot, it's okay, they can, but they have to plot a lot. So that is the downside. And then for the moment, it's rather complicated to do this plotting, if I may say so. Once again, not a programmer. If I will say it 100 more times just to be sure. But I did learn some things, yeah. Since I'm in the environment, in Chia environment, I learned a lot. I learned about the hardware. I learned how to do some scripts. I like to play with Mad Max scripts, yeah. So to do plots, I still like to do plots with Mad Max scripts instead of Chia, GUI. Oh my goodness, my spelling of this. Anyway, so I do have some interest in this. Like I said, I tested BladeBit For blade bit, it's not so complicated, but you need some things. Either you need a CUDA GPU, and I emphasize on CUDA. Me, I have two GPUs. I have one that is ATI Radeon and another one that is ATI Radeon. One it's 470 and the other one it's 570, around there, more or less. It's RX ATI Radeon. So there is no CUDA, no nothing. What can I say? So already you know the thing. I cannot do the GPU process from the blade bit. Okay, so I was thinking, I found out actually when I was testing it, and obviously fail everything. Okay, I said no CUDA, no possible to put the driver because the script was asking me the driver, and then I put the this what I put there. So I put CUDA, I put the driver. Ah, okay, so no possible. Then the RAM part. Okay, RAM no possible again. Why? Well, you need 415 or somewhere there around this ballpark. Maximum RAM that I can have 144. I took from all my computers. I put the RAM from all my computers. I put then okay, I have RAM 144. Yeah, I don't have any more money for the moment to buy more gear. Yeah, this so-called budget build that Chia Central is talking about. For me, this budget build, it's not really a budget build, my friend. It's quite expensive, yeah. So no possible. My goodness, no possible. What I need to say? I was actually thinking like, what I can do this to have so much RAM? Huh? I must do like Windows Server. Uh, okay, no Windows Server. Let's try. I have a board. Like one of my computers is i7, and the board, the motherboard actually, it has 8 slots. Eight slots. So it can see 144. I think maximum, I'm not sure, is 256. So possible 256, which means maybe in the future I can do maybe blade bit. If they it's down, I don't know, they decrease these requirements because they're crazy. These requirements are crazy. I don't know how people will manage. I mean, how they manage. I seen videos like I do this digital spaceport. I don't know how it's called. It's a good channel. This guy is good. I know. I has a business also. It's he likes what he's doing, so I watch his videos. But man, he has a good gear, like expensive gear. I don't have so much. Like I invested all that I can so far. Hard to invest more. I don't complain. I'm not here to making this video. Oh my goodness, I don't have money. So then quit. Then if you don't have the money, it's this simple question. Sorry, answer. But I don't want to quit. I want to continue. In the same time, I realize that I must go to these compressed plots, but not possible for me now. Gigahorse is much worse. What I'm thinking. Actually, in my own opinion, because I seen the script, I tested it. Gigahorse looks better, let's say. Because anyway, scripts are different, yeah? Different things. Okay, if you go and then and read, and you gonna find out that there are some basic different things between them. Yeah. Gigahorse also you need flex pool to make it work. Has some things that work with 128 RAM. Once again, flex pool, and then you need what do you need? Flex pool and uh, the system with Linux. Okay, Windows subsystem. So VSL, Windows Subsystem Linux. You need to install it. I tried to install it. It failed a few times. I don't know why. There was some incompatibility with my version of Windows. Found some information on Reddit. It said it doesn't work. Anyway, tried with a friend, my friend. It worked on him. By the time that the Windows subsystem Linux worked on him, I install Linux and I tried with Linux. And I had so many issues with Linux and installing again the system. I just wanted to make one plot, man, with gigahertz. Just one plot, just one simple plot. Say, okay, maybe I can go in flexible. The result was terrible because I did not manage to do one plot. And I said, look, my farm needs to work. I stopped now all my farm just to do these tests. And really what I found out now that basically, okay, learning curve. I don't consider wasted time because basically what I just told you means that I failed. Um, I just need to wait more. And waiting, I don't know how much productive, something comes out. And then by the time that it is usable by everybody, already the next thing comes out. And I don't know what to do. Should I go now on GPU? I prefer not to go on GPU. I prefer to use RAM, okay? I'm crazy like that. Better RAM. But make it less. Make it at least 256. Okay, says now in the next future for Blade B 256. Okay, let's see. Maybe we can use RAM system 256 with Blade bit. I don't know. I will buy some RAM and try to use. But just my opinion. My opinion is as follows. Man, for all these updates, and there are many. I mean, I am tired. Yeah, I mean, there are so many updates and constant updates. Never settling. Is more and more and more. Well, anyway, this my little bit upset, but I'm not upset overall on Chia. Chia has a thing. These guys who made the script have different thing, and it can get a little bit frustrated. Once again, I said I'm not in this environment. I don't work in this environment. I make it as a hobby. Let's say I played with Unity. I'm studying now Godot, just Java, okay, whatever, Oracle. But this I consider it like gaming. It's fun. It's fun to test also the scripts. Yeah, it is fun when you have the money. And it's a simple thing. I don't have these funds. I farm 2 years and just manage at least almost 1% from what I invested. And this is not good. This is not good. A guy who is miner, for example, look at these returns and he will tell you, man, this is terrible. I think you lost your mind. You're a masochist or something. Why you stay here? And my answer will be, I like the coin, I like the view, and it's just one flight over the cuckoo's nest, I think.